Hey everyone, Face Cloak here, or short for PC, and today we're playing Don't Starve Together. So, okay, characters alike, we got Wirt, Wombwood, and Wilson. I'm gonna go Imp, combo with Wormwood, because he can soul heal, and Wormwood can make those sweet living locks. So we go. Okay, so we're in. Start back in constant. Is map still empty, so they haven't found a marker yet. So first thing you play as Warthogs, just get souls. Souls from any. Souls are from any living creature. So the red thing. That's his whole gimmick of Warthogs. Start punching butterfly. Okay, so it's getting dusk, so we better prepare for night. So if you ever already know, Don't Starve Together is a survival game. You can play with your friends, or if you're like me, you play alone with on public server. Well, making new friends. You never know. Okay. And your objective is the title. Don't Starve Together. The thing, another thing with Warthog's player, Warthog's character, is that you can eat the soul. So every time you kill, you get food instantly, and you don't really need like this berry bush or the actual food, because they give like half. So I got the mod saying here you get like about 10, and if you eat it, you only get 5. 8. See, plus 5. Oh. So we're wandering around just for now. The Flynn. Oh sweet, sign machine already there. Somebody left me a sign machine. And so there's these frogs. Pickaxe, get some more rocks, flint, and stuff. Whenever you can. Any resources is good resources. I'm gonna burn this tree for coal later. A bit loud. I'll come back. I'll come back when something interesting happens. So when I'll find the other player. So fast forward. Okay, so back here, we found dirt. Okay, so should we follow yeah, follow this dirt. See where it take us. Okay, so if you don't know, dirt lead to koala fun. Yeah, you'll see what I mean later. And there's like really good source of food, like really good meat. Oh, and there's what? The fish child, the worm child, yeah. So I got this auto. What's it called? I don't know. I can't remember. Tracking. Yeah, there you go. I got this auto tracking mods. Yes, this game has mods. Like where it auto track. So I mean, you can manually look for it. Look for it manually. Part of the game. But like this in the swamp. This purple area. It's really hard to make it out. So right there, and don't really see it, and it's about there. And the thing with swamp is you never know. Okay, so there's this, and that's what I said. We let that go on. Another dirt, another meat, another food for us. Swamp, you always have to be careful. Rule 1 of swamp: never stand still. Always moving, because there's tentacle. Yup, there it is. Like, you should never stand still, never open chat until you believe you are really safe. And when you believe you're safe, you're not. That's the rule of swamp. But whatever. I'm not gonna tell you how to play. You play this for yourself. Okay, so okay, the thing with koala-fun, this elephant, it run away from you, so you can't really attack it. But if mosquito do a job for that like that, good enough. And whack it a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hit and then dodge. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And cook it. Instant cook. I know it's really messed up, really morbid, but food is food. You want to get your food cooking, and you need campfire for that. And I don't have campfire yet. Now I do. Ow. See? You never know. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said before earlier, warthogs can have healing power. Where was that? Oh, down here. Oh, nice. He survived. Yeah, run. Ow. Oops. It's night, and just watch the thing. Just stay in your fire, stay in your light. See the thing unfold. Oh, always this butterfly thing. Mosquito souls. And I think that's enough. So, as a Vortox, the imp, you can only carry it up to 20 soul. And when you go over 20, you lose half of it, which is suck. And also, your brain got messed. Your brain will get reduced. Yeah, you can eat your souls or drop them as a heal. Just remember not to go over 20. I guess the golden number is like 16, so you have access more room. Suspicious, yeah, I see. One. Dot. One dot. One dot. One dot. One dot. Lap. Yep. Wasn't that a calculation? Yep. Burn this fool. Then you get free hits. Yeah, go fight that thing. Taste fire and you did. Goodbye. Don't really have to carry monster meat all around because, you know, you can eat it raw. It's bad. Minus, take out your hearts. Again, no, you don't have to carry monster meat. Only when you have base, or you know, when you're farming, getting food, like desperate without any other food, then you carry monster meat. Okay, so we're in the desert. This is the desert, yeah, with the rocks and nothing and the trees. We go without the survival. Stick. Have not still found wormwood. This plant. Oh, never mind. He exit. So I guess we're sticking with that eye guy. Okay. So another ability you can do with souls is you can teleport. So if you notice, there's always a soul hub, and so I'll show you. It's left click, and within this circle, this is the range where you can soul hop, or aka teleport. Really useful, you know, to travel, to exploring, or to run from enemy. He's a character of many tricks. Oof. A lot of spiders around here. Keep your distance. If one go near, just hit one and run. Or teleport. Oof, they can't catch you. Where'd that eye guy go? There he is. There she is. Good eye. Now we stick together. I wonder where he go. Where he wanna go? Yeah, just let me prepare my file. So for those who have Don't Starve DST, what you guys think of the new crafting? You like it? You hate it? Comments down below. I'll read some of them. I'll read some of them. JK, just kidding. I try to see it. I try to see all the comments because we started out. This is a new series. Trying to see what the people want, what you guys want. Actually, really, I played this game like lots of time before I decide to record it. I don't know. Just one day, just wanting to record, feel like recording something, and why not? It's like I play this game like every week. Wait, what's an alchemy? What's the alchemy? Oh, my one. So what I'm gonna do is get a stone for the third month. Oh yeah, by the way, I really like this new search engine. That's one part I really like about this new crafting. So you can search. It's like anything that have search engine, search built in it, is really good. It's already best. Modernize the world. We're too lazy to look one by one. Just add a search button. That's all people want. Okay, so yes, that's enough. Yeah, I got my pickaxe. What was that? I got an idea. I'm gonna splash him. Just a little bit of trickstering. No, go back to down here. Get a thing. What's an M? Yeah, me too, buddy. Me too. Let's see. Ooh, fish. Oh no, hat first. I like my new hat. Yeah. I like my new hat. What's the fishing hat? No. We keep the nose. Or yeah, this. I know some of you might say, you played this game before. That vest is nothing. If you have thermal, you're already good. But or any winter item is great, and we haven't found wool yet. So it's better to be safe than sorry. And I could always pass the jacket, the vest. Come on. I can always pass the vest to the words. If you guys don't want it, I don't want it. Just give it to somebody else. Fish. Fish. Oh yeah, so my current Steam name is PO3. Sorry, I call him Poe, but other freaking other player like saw Manly play it, saw Mark play it. Everyone say PO3. My first impression was he's called Poe, you know, with the backward tree. He's called Poe, you know, like Teletubbies. Hello, any more spider? Any more silk? Nope, no more spider. 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 I am the spider. Funny. Another spider then. No, there is no spider then left. Just this one. Oof, that's wrong place. Excuse me. So, how you guys days going? Doing pretty good. I'm recording this currently on Saturday, so you know, nothingness. You know, it's probably chill, relax today if you don't have any work. So you know, homework, online class. Just sit back and enjoy. You know. Some people say that's lazy, but no, you need some time to unwind. You know, take something off your mind. You can't just be work mode 100% all the time. You're gonna wreck your brain. You're gonna wreck your body. Ow. Give me back my blood. You feel an evil person watching me. Oh, not me. Okay, good, not me. I'm not ready. Not ready. Well, maybe, you know, maybe. No, nah. Mosquito. Together. You know, I should find what on this thing. You know what? So hard. We need to make a boat machine. If I make shovel, I have not made shovel. Need one more stick. It's always one more stick. Jeez. Really enough thing. I know, I could just eat the soul, but you know. The meat's kinda spoiled. Might as well eat it. Life is like a hurricane. That's ducktail. Woo! Scientifically accurate ducktail. Woo! Ducktail. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna make this thing. Come on, stop moving. Forever. Lords. This. Anyway. I can't wait for you to want me. In a minute. In a minute. I can't wait for you to want me in a minute. In a minute. Listen. My shadow. Why somebody I sing? Walk alone. Come on. There's really no other spider. Just this one. I mean, there's one in the forest back there, but it's fine. We go. Oops. Ooh, look what we found. Yeah, Chester. He's a good boy. It's like walking inventory, like walking box. Put the stuff in it. Come on, Chester. Go for walkies. Go for walkies and carry on my stuff. And we found a camp, which is very good. They only come in winter, so which is on day 21, I think. Let's leave them a surprise. James Bucket style. Yeah. How you like your housewarming gift, Bish? Professor Cooey. What's that? See where this go. Disco. I think this if yep, it is what I think it is. It's begin. Love me. Something, kiss me. Don't know what the song is. I think I know, but I pretend I don't know. Why? No idea. Don't ask me. I'll eat my soul. And the dirt gone. And just checking. What's wrong with checking? You know when you see something and you're not so sure about it, and then you say, checking. Need some goals back the swamp. Oh hey. Found a Wendy. I think this is a new one. Yeah, day 3. Sorry, kitty. No. It was self-defense. It attacked me first. Thank you. Okay, never mind. I guess that Wendy doesn't mind us. I was gonna say doesn't care, but you know, don't mind me, don't mind her, don't mind us, we together, because twin and Abigail. That's Wendy. If you haven't already met her, I guess you already know that it's Wendy. Wendy is Wendy. Don't really have to say much about it. Everybody's know Wendy, right? Wendy player, Wendy Chu, Wendy pick. It's not that hard. Kinda, maybe. I guess the game doesn't really tell you like what does she do, what does It's I like to think Don't Starve doesn't have a tutorial because they want you to learn by doing. Learn by doing, yes. And I know some people doesn't like that idea. Some people disagree with that. Let's go. Go back to Big Kings because I need gold. I need gold. I found gold. Yeehaw! This is the perspective. I found gold. Anybody here have seen Inscription? Play Inscription? I have. It's not in my channel. I played it alone. I played it on my time. It's a really great game. Really great game. So I'm not much into the ARG stuff. I'm much into the card builder. Card builder aspect, like playing cards, build a deck, which is just the Act 1. Well, not really. Act 2, Act 2 and Act 3. On Act 1, you play on the, Lashy, the best one, the plastic guy. Oh, pigs. Hello, pigs. How are you? Don't mind me. Just gonna trade. He said, don't mind me. Fudge. I can't deal with that. It's up. Goodbye. Alright, come on. Eat that. I want you to transform. Come on. There you are. Skin! Yes. That would be really good. In the winter to make a bat. Just search bat and you found it. The making is mystery to me. Okay, come on, one by one. Just need to feed 4. Ow. Prick. No, 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 no. Get away. Okay, your turn. 1, 2. Just 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ow! Frick. Just leave for now. Oof, 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 oof. One minute for you. Just a second. Okay, let's go, let's go. Fine, walrus. It's winter time. Let's go, let's go. I'm on my way to kill a walrus in the winter. This is a terrible song to sing. I'm not a really good singer, but you know, whatever. Let me enjoy myself. Can I make a pickaxe? Nope. Can't make a pickaxe. You know why? 'Cause I don't have enough another flint. Rambling over nobody. Thank you guys for, you know, staying for this long. You know, most people would just exit right now. Find something better to do, something better to watch. But you know, if you keep staying until up this part, yeah, thank you. Go kill that thing. This guy. Die. And we got our time, which is really good for warthogs because eating souls. The main problem with warthogs is, you know, he gets insane way too quickly. So, you know, having a super regen is really good. Any more tooth? I need 8 tooth to make a jacket. The thing with playing warthogs, you don't really need freaking pots. You just eat soul. You can't even cook soul. So you know, just let people, other player, build pot for you. You know, use when convenience. But mainly, you don't really need to play pots. Pigs, come on. I want one more meat. Miss. Miss me. Now you gotta kiss me. Yeah, eat that, whatever. Just give me your freaking skin. One, two. love me, say that you love me. Ooh, dirt. I forgot what they call. I do need food right now. Love me, say that you love me. Kiss me, kiss me. Let me show you a trick Warthogs for hunting dirt. Here, you see that dirt? Jump. And track. And jump. Track. And jump. And jump. That's a bad idea because I jump into that pigs. Come on. Always have one soul on you. Never know what might happen. Sheep. Oh, sheep. You shouldn't attack sheep alone. Get at least a pigman. Well, not in my case. Or another player. Because sheep, weakest, fucking stinky, freaking beast, stinking beast. You can freaking stun lock you with a thing. Oh, you wake up, bonk. Skin for me. Give me your soul. Sorry, kitty. It's so sad killing the kitty, though. I do that every time. I'm going to. Oh, it's all good. I still haven't know where that wormhole goes. Maybe I'll check it out after this. And shoveling some woods, digging some wood stumps. Dude, you leave me stumped. Shut up, Walter. Stupid joke. And stupid dog. You intimidated by massive horn. Yeah, you better be. Don't need a tooth. Let me see. Blah 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 blah. Okay, let's go check it out. Check this where this hole is going. Nothing. It's garbage. You think you can run more? No, no more home for you. You know why I'm getting moles? 'Cause I need bones for main hat. And I know just where to find bones. It's in the desert. Many in the desert. Never mind, I found it here. So give me a hat. And we check pardon. Oh no, wait. Make a box. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Oops, yeah, that's it. Let's go find gloves. Oh, gloves. Oh, I choke on my spit. Excuse me. Let's go find gloves. Let's go find gloves. Don't have ice box in, so don't need to get ice yet. Just find the rocks. You always need rocks. Never in real life you would say, I need rocks. Where can I find rocks? You don't rocks. Because you know what? They're rocks your world. That was not funny. It's funnier to me because I just realized how terrible it is. Oh, something tickling me. Don't worry, just, real stuff. Hey. Greetings, man. Greetings, player. Patient. You just need rabbit. For what reason? This thing. You can advance to magic. Rabbits. Can get me some rabbits. And for the magical number. Get it magical because magic. Wait. one time after I die. You should always try to help your fellow survivor. Give it a second. And offline, I don't know. He wants marble. Marble. Wonder what's that for. Marble armor. Probably for the super machine. Time is for gaming. That's fine. Just blue. Oh. What time is it? Oh, we've been recording for over an hour. So I guess it's good to stop here. You know, if you like the video, you can like the video. If you want to subscribe, go ahead if you want to subscribe. And you know, not really my priority right now. So yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.